Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you if you are thirsty working in the land in our village. So we used to drink water from natural water source. See here. This is the point of water source. See? And here is the clean water. When you drink water, you can use this leaf. See how it's big? It's a very big. Here is the here's the good one without any damage, and bend it like a cup like this. And you can get water from here. Clean little bit, then here is the clean water. Very clean crystal water. Thank you.